everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how to make a knit two together decrease. For this tutorial, I'm using a set of Knit Picks Options interchangeable needles. I'm also using Brava worsted weight yarn, which is also from Knit Picks and We Crochet. Knit Picks and We Crochet sent me the yarn and the needles for my raglan baby sweater knit along, and I will leave the link for that knit along in the description on this video. The knit two together decrease works two stitches together so that they become one stitch. This is a decrease that leans to the right or towards your working needle. To do this decrease, I'm going to simply knit both of these stitches as though they were one stitch. So pretend this is just one loop and you're going to insert your needle into it. It's just one loop with two strands, right? So you're going to insert your needle into it just as though you're going to knit, and then you are going to knit. So now I have knit these two stitches together, and that decrease will lean to the right or towards my working needle. Let's look at that again. Once again, to knit these two stitches together so they become one stitch, I'm just going to insert my needle into both stitches at once and go ahead and knit. As you can see, the knit two together decreases all lean to the right or towards my working needle. These decreases here are slip slip knit decreases, which I will show you in a different tutorial, and they lean to the left. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.